पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We will chant ninth mantra, page 238. तत् आहुः यद्ब्रह्म विद्यया सर्वं भविष्यन्तः मनुष्या मन्यन्ते किमु तद् ब्रह्म अवेद यस्मात् तत्सर्वम् अभवत् इति। अगेन तदाहुः यद्ब्रह्म विद्यया सर्वं भविष्यन्तः मनुष्या मन्यन्ते किमु तद्ब्रह्म अवेद यस्मात् तत्सर्वम् अभवत् इति। See, now we are going to the ninth mantra. See, Bhashyakar connects the last mantra with this mantra. He says, Sutrita Brahma Vidya Atma iti evupasita yad arthopanishad kritsnapi. So, tasya etasya sutrasya vyachikhyasu प्रयोजनाभि दित्सित सयोपोज्जघांसति. He says that sutra, vidya sutra vakya, brahmati evupasita, which was mentioned in the 8th mantra. So the same mantra was mentioned in a sutra form. Sutra means very condensed form. One definition of sutra I gave was Suchanat Sutra. Suchanat matlab that which gives you clue of something. So now it is the expanded form. So what was mentioned? So iti yad artha upanishad kritsnapi. So this earth was mentioned. So all Upanishad, here Kritsna means all Upanishad are intended to have only one purpose. What is the purpose of the Upanishad? Not to tell about Atma and not to tell about Brahman. The purpose of Upanishad is to tell about oneness of Atma and Brahman. There is no other purpose. Sometimes after listening to Vedanta, I ask this question to the students. They are not able to tell this small point. They say Upanishad tells about Brahman. No. Upanishad tells about the Brahmatmaikya Bodh. That is the purpose of the Upanishad. Keep on reiterating these small points. So now Vyakhya. Vyakhya means Vishesh Akhyan. You are not expanding. Khya means to know. So Vyakhya means Vistar. Vishesh, Vivid Khyan, Vivid. So you are now going through a longer way of knowing the thing which was in short. What now they are saying. So this ninth mantra, Upanishad is now dramatizing. What is the drama here? He says there was a meeting of a group of seekers. And this group of seekers are called here as Brahmanas. See the Brahman word. Please get this point. When Brahman word is used in the Shastra, in the Upanishad, it is meant one who has Brahman buddhi. And when it is used in Karm Kand, it has the meaning one who is Brahman by caste, by birth. Brahman buddhi means one with a subtle mind. Brahman buddhi means Sattva-guni buddhi, which wants to know about Brahman. So Kshatriya also can know. Arjun also could know Brahma Vidya. Here Yagyavalkya also will be there, who was a king. So Brahman word in the Upanishad, please get this point, is to not to indicate the birth Brahman, but it is the Buddhi Brahman. But when it comes to Karm Kand, their Buddhi Brahman is not required, their birth Brahman is required. Like Ashwamedh Yagna is there. Only Kshatriya can do, you have seen in the beginning. Brahman cannot do Ashwamedh Yagna. But Vajpayee Yagna is there, that Brahman can do, Kshatriya cannot do. So somewhere, but Upanishad, who is the Jigyasu of Upanishad? Shudra can be the Jigyasu, but if he has the Brahman buddhi. So here it is said here, there was a group of seekers who are called Brahmanas. And they are saying something. Tad ahuhu. So they are now what they are saying. Tad ahuhu. Ahu means they are saying. They are saying that Manushyaha manyante. So after tad ahuhu, whole sentence is in inverted comma till abhavat. So Brahmanas are thinking. What they are thinking? Manushyaha manyante. They are saying that people think yad brahma vidya sarvam bhavishyanta. People think that we all can become sarva by knowing Brahman. This bhavishyanta is called chandas prayog. Sanskrit wise it is not accurate, it should be bhavishyama. But it is called chandas, you can't change it. This is called Vedic Sanskrit. So sometime it is not as per Panini grammar, but it is called chandas. So bhavishyanta is written. Bhavishyanta should be bhavishyama. This is future tense. So you can, don't correct it. Somewhere you can understand or not that it indicates bhavishyama only. So what they are thinking, please get the point. They are thinking through Brahma Vidya, we all can become sarvam. Why? Because it was mentioned, it was mentioned by knowing Brahman, because Brahma is the adhishthan of the whole world. Remember I told he becomes all. Kasmin. So yajñātva neh bhuyo nyajñātavyam avashishyate. Knowing which nothing is remaining to be known. I quoted Mundak also one day. What was that mantra? Kasminnu bhagavo vigyate sarvavidam vigyatam bhavati. There is one Upanishad called Chandogya Upanishad. In Chandogya Upanishad, there is a student, his name is Shvetketu. Now Shvetketu had his father called Aruni. So Aruni sent him for study of Vedas, Shvetketu. So he went to other Gurukul. I think he had his own Gurukul, but he didn't teach him. So he went, so he came after 12 years. To study whole Vedanta, etc., he needed 12 years, okay? Not 21 days. So after studying, he came back, Shvetketu. But after coming, he didn't offer pranam to his father. Pranam, you understand, no? Vidya dadati vinayam. Vinayadhyati patratvat. So patrata was not there. So he said, kya ho gaya Shvetketu? By Vidya, after getting Vidya, you know that his aham is very small. After knowing, you understand that this reflected consciousness is false. And I offer pranam to tell that in front of truth, I am very small. So this ahankar is very negligible in front of you. Namah. Namah means name, not mine. Name iti bhava namaskara. This is not mine. So in front of you, the person is Bhagavad Swarup, and I am offering my smallness to you. अब ये तो बड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. Shvetketu. Then Aruni asked this question. He said, Shvetketu, let us sit here first. They said, he said, tell me, you learnt everything. Well, yes, everything I know. He said, you know that seeing which everything else is seen, hearing which everything else is heard, smelling which everything else is smelled. Shvetketu was, puzzled. This was the main knowledge. Sarvam bhavati. Shvetketu was very clever. He did not say, I don't know that. He did not say, he said, my teacher did not teach me. And there, you read interesting bhashya is there. Bhashyaka writes, he said this so that his father may not send again. He said it to, पता नहीं क्या आश्रम, पता नहीं खाना ठीक नहीं था, what was the problem, I don't know. For house he was missing the mother or what was the cause. But Shankaracharya sometimes, is a tongue-in-cheek humor is there. अच्छा लगता है. He said it was not taught. And then his father now became the Sadguru. All are Guru. Mother is also Guru, father is also Guru. The school teachers are also Guru, university teachers are also Guru. But Sadguru is the one, what he teaches, after that you don't need any Guru. So he is Sadguru. Same question they are raising here. These Brahmanas or seeker of truth, they are saying that people say, देखो क्या स्टैंडर्ड है बात करने का भी इनका. They are not discussing dal was not good today. Or they are not discussing, this color of your pant is little tight. There is yad Brahma Vidya sarvam bhavishyantah manushyaha manyante. People have heard, people believe that by this Brahma Vidya they become all. बोले अच्छा ऐसा तो है भाई. Now they are saying Tat Brahma Aved. Tat Brahma. So can we also know that? If that is the case, then we also can know that Brahma. Tat Brahma Aved Yasmat Tat Sarvam Abhavat. So Tat Brahma, that Brahma, what did he know? This little different language is there. Language is different here. Please be careful. Tad Brahma Aveda. Tad Brahma. What did that Brahma know? Here Brahma word is in nominative case. Nominative kya? Karta. Like Ram goes to forest. So Rama isn't called nominative case. Tad Brahma Aveda Yasmat. What did that Brahma know? Tad Brahma Aveda Yasmat Tat Sarvam Abhavat. What did that Brahma know? By which he became all. He is not putting the thing like that. This is a point here. That Jeev had known the Brahman through which he became all. See, that is a trick here. What trick is there? You will discover it later on. He is saying, what did that Brahman know that he became all? He could have said, what did that Jeev know as Brahman which he became all? But to indicate that Jeev itself is Brahman, this is a catch. To indicate that he is using the word, what did that Brahman know that it became all? If you catch this point, then the whole thing will become easier. Kimu. Kinu nahi. Kimu. And Kinu is also there. Kinu. Kinu. You know Kinu. Fruit is there. Kinu, Kinu. That is not here. It is Kimu. Kimu. What that Brahman know? क्या जान लिया उसने ऐसा कि वो सब हो गया? अरे भाई आप ऐसे क्यों नहीं बोलते? उस जीव ने ऐसा कौन ब्रह्म जान लिया कि वो सब हो गया? ये ज़्यादा समझ में आ रहा है हमको. They should use the language that Jeev, what was that Brahman, what was that Jeev, what did that Brahman know that he became all? Instead of using this language, you have changed the language. You are saying, what did that Brahman know that it became all? What is the hidden intention? You could have understood now. इनका intention कुछ और है यहाँ पे. And this is, we have to catch all these nuances here. On this point, Bhashyakar is going to give a good bhashya later on. But before I go ahead, I will take you to the bhashya. Very good bhashya is there, page 238, same page. So see what he writes. Brahmana, second line. Who are Brahmana? Brahma Vividishavaha. Who want to know Brahma? Sanskrit students, this Brahma is in Dvitiya. Accusative case. So, who want to know? Vividishavaha. Yesterday I was talking about Vividisha Sannyas. So, usi ke liye bola dekho. Vividisha is a good word. Vividishavaha. Actually, Vividishu is the word. So, plural is Vividishavaha. Sadhu, sadhavaha. So, this is Vividishavaha. One who want to know Brahman. Achha? Why they want to know Brahman? ऐसा क्या है? अपना काम करो. Go happy, work in the office. Go out in the world. Nice climate is there. Lot of rivers all around. Go and do some boating, etc. Surfing is there. Surfing in the ocean. In Durban, lot of surfing is there. Not that surf powder, that surfing is on the ocean. They go up and hours. They can do all this. अच्छा ये सब करो. कहाँ तुम ये सब यहाँ आ गए परेशान हो रहे हो? You are worried here in the class. You are sitting so long to sit. Whole back is paining. I think in every day in prasad some balm should be given because it is paining. So here Bhashyakar writes why these people want to know that. आप सब अंडरलाइन कर लेना. जन्म जरा मरण प्रबंध चक्र भ्रमण कृतायास दुखोदक अपार महोदधि प्लवम भूतम. This is one word. ये समास है. I am not teaching Sanskrit here, but we could open everything. Janma. Why? Taking birth is a big problem. Birth is there, and there is a umbilical cord is there. So somehow, Garbhavas is called Mahadukha. Garbhavas is Mahadukhavas. In a small place, this small baby is like a cashew nut. He is upside down. Okay. And then supposing the mother eats chili, etc. So that body of that baby is very tender. It hurts. Okay. And lot of problems can be there. Lot of problems can be there. She may play volleyball also while pregnancy is there. So when the child is pushed out, baby, not child, baby is pushed out, so they hit the baby to make his lungs cry. So there is, nowadays there is a vacuum sucker is there. They can suck like that. Sometimes nowadays they can operate on them in the womb also. New technologies are coming on. Acha bhai. Then whole life is goes till 4 years, 5 years he can't express. Insects are biting, turning on the bed here and there. Bale dukha tire ko malalupit vapu stanne pane pipasa no shakyam. बाले दुखाते रेको मललोपित वपु ओहो स्तन्य पाने पिपासा नो शक्तश्चेन्द्रियभ्यो भवगुण जनिता जंतवो माम तुदंती नाना रोगादि दुखाद दन पर्व शंकरम न स्मरामि. ऐसे फिर 4 years school he has to go. So much homework. Oh my God. Somehow he crosses school, study, competition, teachers, parent-teacher meeting, pressurization, then 10th class, CBSC. Oh my God. Then he's working, then he gets married, other responsibility. Ultimately, Bhagwan Bhaskar covered everything by saying Jara. Jara means Umar Jara si bachi hai. So, so Jara means old age. हिंदी वालों का शब्द अपना है जरा. Old age itself is a problem. Now be very careful while walking. You don't know what prarabdha is there. After that healing is difficult. वार्धक्ये विगत गतिमतिश्चेन्द्रियाणाम. सब कुछ गड़बड़ होने लगता है. डाइजेशन इज नॉट प्रॉपर. अच्छा हाँ, चलने में प्रॉब्लम. एवरीबडी इज देयर सेम बोट. मैटर ऑफ 10-20 years. बहुत खुश नहीं होना चाहिए. वी आर ऑल ऑन द सेम बोट. After that, then somehow people also neglect. Old age home is there. Then the children, when they needed us, we were quite available. But when I need, they are out. They are in the working mode. Then marana. Death is very rarely painless. Death is associated with pain. Prabandha chakra. This is the Prabandha chakra means this is the cycle. This is the bound cycle. Brahman krita yasa. And he is having the Brahman. So by this Brahman means by this cycle that he is going, Krit ayasa. So he is that dukh is there after that. Achha. Which he is having this Mahodadhi Sagar, in which there is a water. Water's name is Dukhodak. उसमें दुख का ही पानी है. दुख का ही पानी है. Somewhere this problem, that problem. Grandchild is not well, child is not well. Husband is not listening nowadays, wife is like that. Achha, and this way a person is buffeted up and down. We're office to house, house to office, office to house, house to office, office to house, house to office. Meeting the ends, earning money, this is the only project. Maintain the house is not easy also. It is raining nowadays, and now I discovered that house is dripping. 3 places it is dripping now from. Now I am contacting the contractor. He says, how can we work in the rain? Let the rain be over. By the time it is cracking many places now. I am contacting another contractor. Achha, yes. I had kept my passport have got wet. And I had to go to overseas country now. Whole name has gone here and there. Now I am going to passport office to find out whether this will be applicable or not. They are saying no, because it is much of the internal stamps are erased, so I will issue new passport. So I am cancelling my foreign trip. Now he is saying ticket will not be get the original cost, you won't get. ये अच्छा चक्कर है. There is written दुखोदक. यहाँ दुख ही दुख है. You know what Bhagavad Gita says about संसार? भगवान ने एक नाम दिया, दुखालयम. Like वाचनालय is there, पुस्तकालय is there. बोले इसका नाम है दुखालय. बोलो श्लोक. नाप्नुवन्ति महात्मानः दुखालयम शाश्वतम मामुपेत्य तो कौन्तेन पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. But this is called dukhalaya. Then diseases are there. Achha, I had fracture last year. Last year fracture? Yes. I was on the auto and I was coming out, and auto didn't stop. It dragged me for a few meters. So I had a big fracture. 4 months I was on the bed. 4 months, yes. Achha. Bedridden, yes. How come? I told you now what I asked. I already have acidity problem. I'm taking lot of medication. That is making me more acidic now. ऐसा आसान है. My daughter is there. Daughter, I got married with so much of care, and husband is not talking to her. Last 3 months have passed. Then what shall I do? What to do? Now they are talking of separation. So much I gave, spent the money. एक चिंता होती है. दुख हो तक इतने कर्म फल हैं आपके पास. You know what is in store. अपार महोदधि, ऐसा नहीं कोई देयर इज नो एंड, ये खत्म हो जाएगा, सब अच्छा हो जाएगा। फिर हम लोग गाना गाएंगे, होगी शांति चारों ओर। बड़ा अच्छा है। हाँ, पता नहीं क्या मतलब है हम होंगे कामयाब, अभी नहीं है, एक दिन तो फिर हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। This when I go to school, colleges for talk, so there is a music teacher is there, and students are there, 7-8 students who can sing, then they sing, very nice. लेकिन हमें लगता है होगी शांति चारों ओर, कब शांति होगी, ऐसे सोचते रहते हैं। चेजिंग अ वाइल्ड गूस, दुखोदक अपार महोदधि प्लवभूतम, अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन। अच्छा, एक बात और सुनो, देयर आर टू थिंग्स, वन इज प्रारब्ध, अदर इज स्वभाव। Supposing somebody's prarabdha is not good, स्वभाव is good, he will be still finding happiness. चलो भाई ठीक है, I accept भगवान की ऐसे ही मर्जी। I lost my dad, but it is okay. God came as my father in another way. I have no issues. God had helped me. स्वभाव अच्छा है ना, so अच्छा स्वभाव finds some joy somewhere. Even in hell he can find some joy. One nature of good nature is that it finds some joy everywhere. When a dry roti if you give, you will say, okay, at least I got this much. Santosh is there. Prarabdha is not good. अच्छा, supposing prarabdha is not good and swabha also is not good, ये करल और नीम चढ़ा. Now this combination is bad combination. So a person will complain a lot, getting angry, expect a lot, and with whom he lives, others also will be troubled. दो combination हो गया. If prarabdha and swabha both are good, what to say? Okay. ये तो लेकिन rarely prarabdha is everything is good and swabha is also good. Normal people don't have very good swabha. They complain, they have anger aspect, sadness aspect. और दुखी हो जाते हैं. They have dukh manufacturing companies there inside. Small thing they get very upset. Everything is okay, still they find out some problem. अरे ठीक है, शांत रहो. नहीं, why I did not get this, he got that. अब क्या होता है? They go on punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. They do some punya somewhere. दान, दक्षिणा, गुरु सेवा. गुरु तो नहीं आएंगे, sorry. मातृ पिता सेवा is there. They served father, mother. They do some jap, टूटा फूटा जो भी जप कर रहे. Some puja they did. Ganesh Chaturthi they did. Something they did. Some tirth they went. At least they didn't trouble anybody. With this, God became happier. Then He sent some saint and some guru. And then it is a return journey. Buddha used to say, spiritual life is one-way traffic, only entry. अब क्या होता है, देखो क्या लिखा है, गुरुम आसाद्य. अब ऐसा संजोग ही नहीं बनता कि गुरु हो. This combination itself is not there to get a teacher. To get a teacher whom I am tuned to and who also understands me and who can also give me that knowledge which I want, and I should stay with the teacher for a long time till we study all the scriptures, till my swabhav changes, till my knowledge changes. This is तो ईश्वर, हमने बोला ना, big things he has kept in his hands. Main key is in his hands. गुरुम आसाद्य. अब किसी के साथ रहो, अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ द साधना, तब जाके आफ्टर देन ओनली मच क्लैरिटी कम्स, देन आवर माइंड बिकम्स सॉफ्टर, शरणागत, देन तत्तीरम उत्तितीर्षवः, he is titirshavaha, sun pratyay it is called in Sanskrit, like jigyasu, he is desirous of crossing, he doesn't want new birth. Well, I didn't think like that. No, you are not thinking your next birth is ready. Oh, yes. Next birth is ready? Yes. Your future parent are already born. One is 3-year-old, other is 2.5. What? Really? Yes. Man, how long I'll live? Next, within 20 years at the most. In 20 years, supposing I get liberated, then what will happen to those parents? No, don't worry. Don't worry about those parents. I am just saying that in 20 years, if you can do something, we'll see. ये तो हमको कोई, हम लोग तो वी आर ड्रंकर्ड, फल पे फल आता जा रहा है और हम उसको भोगते जा रहे हैं. Moksha is not something abnormal thing. You say, don't want to go, don't throw me into another situation. I don't want to go in the mother's womb again. And good, bad fruit both will be there. पता नहीं क्या लिखा है, कैंसर होना है, अल्सर होना है, क्या है, we don't know. I have to become woman, I have somebody's wife, somebody's husband. Where I have to go? कुटिल कर्म है. कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाएगा? From here, there. पता नहीं, I am born with this disease. All karma I have not done good. So many things I have done which I don't know is right. I spoke and heard many times. Nobody can claim I have done all good actions. Already I came with a bag full of fruit. Here also we added a lot. कभी किसी को बोला, कभी कुछ किया, कभी कुछ किया. अब अगला फिर आ रहा है फ्रूट. ये खत्म हो गया. This birth is over. That means fruits are over now. इस बॉडी को हटा दो. The जीव is not fit for this body. राम नाम सत्य करो इसको. अब फिर नेक्स्ट बॉडी ले आओ. अच्छा, हाँ सत्संगी हैं, लेकिन हम सुनो, हे यमराज जी, हाँ हम सत्संगी, हाँ therefore you are giving human body. I am giving you human body. अरे हे यमराज जी सुनो, I get some satsang etc. बोले we will see how much satsang. Let me see how much is your record. I will see your record. What is the situation? Vishnu Sahasranam you have done 4 times in your whole life, very less. So in Atharshi did you chant in Ganesh Chaturthi? You closed your eyes and you started meditating there. Instead of chanting, you started meditating. No Atharshi's whole life. Okay, parents you said, you said parents. Achha, how many times you press the feet? Not too many, 25 times. बड़ा वीक रिकॉर्ड दिख रहा है इनका. बोले अच्छा डोनेशन, हाँ डोनेशन ही हैज़ गिवन अ लॉट. डोनेशन ही हैज़ गिवन plenty of donation he has given. Speech wise have you heard anybody? Very few. एक काम करो, let us give him birth, but गुरु मत देना इस birth में. क्यों? He has not desired. इसने गुरु की इच्छा ही नहीं किया. He has not done that पुण्य. Not temple visit was not there. Prayer was not there. Do one thing, saint दे दो, but not the guru. Let saint come once in a while. Teacher के साथ हटा दो इसका संयोग रहने का. Remove that. He will not live with teacher. अरे क्या करो? नहीं बस this is the fruit is there. कितना लाइफ कर दें? 68 कर देते हैं इसका. 68 years कर देते हैं. 20 years तक no health problem. 25 he will start having diabetes. But why diabetes? He never fed anybody. The problem is that he never fed anybody. He conjuice person, he never called anybody in his house. So इसको diabetes जल्दी कर देते हैं इसको. अरे यार कुछ तो हमें 45-50 तक तो ले जाओ. बोले नहीं. एट द एज ऑफ 40 इसको ब्लड प्रेशर कर दो, हाई बीपी कर देते हैं इसको। अरे बोला हाई बीपी क्यों कर रहे हो उसको भाई? बोले ही वॉज नॉट गुड विद हिज मदर। एक काम करो, हाँ इसकी मदर की डेथ जल्दी करवा देते हैं क्योंकि इसने तिरस्कार किया। एट द एज ऑफ 15 मदर किस नहीं रहेंगी, ही शुड लिव विदाउट मदर। हाँ बट वाइफ ही विल गेट गुड बिकॉज ही हैज़ डोनेटेड अ लॉट एंड ही डिड दैट उपासना, ही वॉज विजिटिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर। इसको ये कर देते ऐसे ऐसे। देन 55 के बाद एक स्ट्रोक करवा दो उसको, बट he will have a good office and good money. So he has no wife problem, no son problem. Both are, but health problem will be there. ऐसे ऐसे हम लोग ऐसे ऐसे चलते 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 crawling and crawling we reach the end. अब in this 68 new action also he did. कम थोड़ी ना है हम लोग। Again I will go ahead. Therefore Bhāśyakara writes in Tattva-bodh, कोटि जन्म पर कर्म फलम। तो डर जाता है when your seeker is the one who is very far-sighted. He said, भाई how long this will continue? इसको बंद करो थोड़ा। And then he says how to know, what to know here. And क्या word लिखा है? See. Tattiram uttitir shavaha. He wants to, he said, I don't want the new birth. Well, you will have another husband. This birth, you are craving for a good husband or good wife. So much you thought, if I had a good wife, good husband. तो तुमको एक अच्छा सा husband, तुम्हारे जितना पुण्य है उसको husband बनाने में लगा देते हैं. You wanted a good husband, so I am just searching somebody, एक अच्छा जीव ले आते हैं. At least you will have a good husband. तुम्हारी वो इच्छा पूरी करवा देंगे. अरे एक इच्छा के लिए एक जन्म लेके चला जाएगा क्या? हाँ और क्या? हस्बैंड तुम्हारे साथ ही रहेगा ना, कैसे तुम्हारी इच्छा कैसे पूरी होगी? 40 years I will give for the husband. ऐसे होता है प्रारब्ध. I am giving a good one. I don't want to spoil your taste to talk about bad prarabdha more. People have worse prarabdha, bhaiya, coming under a truck. Accidental death is there. Getting beaten by wife, beaten by husband every day. Got some drunkard husband is there. Child abuse is there. I'm not going to those areas. हम तो नॉर्मल ले रहे हैं. ये डर जाता है. साधक is there. He says धर्म अधर्म साधन तत्फल लक्षणात् साध्य साधन रूपात् निर्विण्णः. आहा. Nirvinna means dispassionate. Dispassionate from what? Sadhya sadhan rupat. If I do this, I will get this. If I do this, I will get this. If I give donation, God will also give me money. If I press your feet, God will also send somebody to serve me. Therefore, you know what Gita says? Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया. Next line he says, Ma karma phal he turbhuhu. Don't become the cause of new fruit. Good or bad, good fruit is like a golden chain. Ma karma phal he turbhuhu. Gita, each word are so significant. अपेक्षा से किया हमने डोनेशन तो दिया. I give donation, I gave a check of 2 lakh. I had the thought that at least I will be acknowledged now. Plaque तो लगाया नहीं उन्होंने हमारा. They didn't put my plaque anyway. It's okay. But I wanted something. Never mind. You will get somewhere else. Because your apeksha buddhi was there, no? So you will get the fame. Some fame will come to you. So this is called the sadhya sadhan. He says, I am giving donation, let God be happy, I don't want anything. हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आप चुपचाप रखो. साध्य साधन रूपात निर्विण्णः. This is qualification. And dharma adhar sadhan tat phala lakshanat. I don't want fruit of dharma and fruit of adharma both. Oho. Tad vilakshana nitya nirashay shre pratipitsavaha. What a word he coins. His Sanskrit is beautiful. Vachaspati Mishra, he is a commentator on Brahma Sutra. So he has written commentary Bhamati. And there he says about Bhashakar, Prasanna Gambhir Bhashyam. He uses that word. Prasanna means happy given, quiet. But Gambhir means deep. He coins such phrases which are very lovely to hear. Lovely. So even if you don't understand much of the Sanskrit, you will enjoy. Therefore we should do Bhashya Parayana also. Those who are seekers, they chant few lines. And Gambhir, it is deep. I don't want all this fruit and all this situation, but what you want? Please tell me. Tad vilakshana nitya niratishaya shreya. That shreyas. Says, shreyas means what? When I don't want to rest in situation. There are two paths, Shreyas and Preyas. Particularly Kathopanishad coined this. Before that it was there, but these two words had come last time you heard. So Shreyascha Preyascha Manusya Meta Tau Samparitya Vivinakti Dhiraha. So this Shreyas means one who feels situation can never give me rest. I want to rest in the self. This desire to rest in the self is called Shreyarthi, Mamukshava. And one who thinks there will be some situation when I will rest, that is called prayers. बोले हमें नहीं चाहिए कोई सिचुएशन. अरे अच्छी सिचुएशन हो जाएगी. हाँ? Good situation you will get. You will have a good house, good wife, good children. As Nachiketa was being tempted, he will have some guard also. We are getting some nice car, chauffeur will be there. तुम खाना मत बनाना, we will have nice cook. क्या कमी है जी? Cook मंगवा लेंगे कहीं से. 2 cooks we will have. अरे but we are only 2 people, you need 2 cooks. हाँ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Only 1 minute. How long? Huh? These things, how long? How long? 55 years. Everything will be okay. No. Your body, brother-in-law will create a lot of problem. As good as your wife, worst is the brother-in-law. These mamas and these are 2 things. They create problem. This is started from Shakuni Mama, that parampara is from there. When Chandra Swami was there, he also had one Mamaji with him. एकदम रेस्ट नहीं मिलेगा. कोई सिचुएशन में रेस्ट है ही नहीं पूरा. कहाँ रेस्ट है? I want complete rest. Bed rest? नहीं. I want complete rest. What do you mean by rest? Define rest. Lying down? नहीं भाई. Sitting down? नहीं. Not working? नहीं. I want a situation or mind where I have nothing to work, no desire, no anger, all fulfillment, no sorrow. May outer situation come, nothing disturbs me. Even if somebody is abusing, I am as quiet as a space. I have the sense of Purnata at all times. I am not going to get completeness anywhere. I am not working. I am either meditative or I am meditating, I am complete. No attachment, no hanky-panky, finding out, how are you, Tinku, did you eat food? Nothing like that. I'm not worried. I'm not carried. My mind is not craving for something external. Yasya brahmani ramate chittam nandati nandati nandatyeva. Or what Sthit Pragya has said, Prajahati yada kaman sarvan parth manogatan atmani eva atmana tushtat Sthit Pragyas tadochate. हमको ये चाहिए. Oh, so you need all joy and no desire. Yes. Very good. You are quite clever. You don't need any attachment. No, because attachment will give lot of responsibility, problems, mood. I don't want to be attached. In this life I was attached and I really bore the brunt. I knew what I went through. Nobody else knows my plight. I know my plight. Achha, I don't want to hate anybody. I don't want to be angry on anybody. This resting in the self, which is all pervading, Nitya, Sarvgat, Nirakar, Nirvikar, Chetan, I am. Who is the hero of Gita? And whose glories are sung in the Upanishads? Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhut vijanatah tatra ko moha ka shokah ekatvam anupashyatah. I can quote all Upanishads and tell how Upanishad is singing the glories of this person. I want that state. In the self or in the God. Lekin in between living as a petty jeev, pulled by 10 places, by my prarabdha also, crying here, laughing there. And I'm very happy today, marriage is there, my son's marriage is there. But tyari ho rahi saab. I don't want that kind of false living. कब तक झूठ में रहेंगे, झूठ से प्यार करेंगे, झूठे सुख दुख में कब तक रहेंगे? झूठे सुख दुख, झूठे संबंध, झूठे शरीर, झूठा लक्ष्य, कुछ तो सच्चा रखो. ये झूठ झूठ में कब तक रहोगे? लक्ष्य कहते हो ना बड़ा पैसा कमाना, जो पैसा खुद में झूठ है वो तुम्हारा लक्ष्य है. प्रेयस में जा रहे हो. He is the one. Don't forget Brahmana. This is a commentary on Brahmana. Brahma vedutum vividishavah. So he is there. Tad vilakshana. I think you have underlined all this. Tad vilakshana nitya niratishaya shreya pratipipitsavah. Pratipitsavah means Pitsava means one who wants to drink, one who wants to know this. How I can get this? Pratipitsava. Acha. For that people used to go to Himalayas. For that Gurudev used to take cold water bath in Ganges in winter. Uttarkashi went. They meditate. बोले है क्या ये? चलो पता लगाते. Gurus will say, okay, wash the dishes. बोले everything I will do. Wash the clothes. बोले I will do everything. But आप ये हमको बता दीजिए बस. तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया। इसमें एक ललक होती है। Now this is the definition. Now I will go ahead. I hope this is clear. Don't forget the main point. All Brahmanas came together. They said that Brahma Vidya is there, through which human beings means seekers, think that I will become all. Achha. What did that Brahma know that it became all? I like that language. By God's grace, if we can love Upanishads, you can be very, you will be living in a sublime level. Because they take you to the truth. You forget that you are hearing. You will know I am that.